Hold on, YouTube. Before I even start this video, let me just say, oh my, to Soleil and to Luna. Thank you guys for still watching. All right, y'all, let's get to the video.
Let's go. You see the pictures I paint, son. If I ain't the king of New York, then it ain't one.
What's up, YouTube? You guys gotta excuse my voice. I'm a little under the weather today. I personally think it happened from trying out the unicorn poop. Haven't been feeling the same since I tried it. See, I'm gonna leave it alone. But as you guys see, the red Jeep is back. Today I'm doing a power seat upgrade. She does not have power seats. Her seats are in really bad shape, as you can tell, and they're broken, and it's just a mess. But I am upgrading to leather seats, power leather seats for her Jeep. So that's it, YouTube. Also, oh, it's not it. See, also there's a hole in the floor, and she's worried that she's gonna fall through the floor. So I'm gonna take care of that. Last thing I want to point out, the owner herself did that console, and she also did the visors to match the headliner. Looking good in there. That's it. Hold on, what's this in the back seat, YouTube? I gotta get a little nosy. Hold on. YouTube, I forgot. She makes wreaths. So anybody who needs a custom wreath, get in touch with me and I'll hook you up. Alright, so on that note, YouTube, let's get